Welcome back. We've just hit the Kokoda Trail, which is a development from the Canada Bay Council. Train native fauna. Ferrari. Crucial picture against the overwhelming odds. Again, QR code for everybody to look at if you can scan it. Again, just like and comment if you want any more interesting information down below. One thing about this trail is it's quite safe, straight. Obviously a few stairs there. One thing is for sure, we won't be doing the stairs. Death of Captain Uncle Sam Templeton. It's nice, all this native Australian fauna. No, I don't know if this is meant to display what it looked like over in Papua New Guinea and Kokoda Trail, but okay, so here is, I'm going to try to zoom in a bit with one hand. So this here is the whole entire trail. The only airfield between Port Moresby and North Coast. Again, QR code for everybody to look at. So as we go down the Kokoda Trail, it gives us important points where our soldiers travelled. Again, Diniki QR code. So it says here this is a key access point to Kokoda Trail. Yeah. Let's go to the next one, see what that says. Again, look at this view. Little memorial over there, we'll try to get that in a minute. The vital delaying battle. I might come back this way again. I want to see if I can get a better footage. Might bring somebody with me so they can actually get a lot closer to some aspects of the place that I can't get to. So now we're just heading across to the memorial site. Let's see what it is. Let's have a look. Okay. So those stairs we've seen before, that's what they must have represented, the golden stairs. We've returned from, I hope I get this right, we returned from Isurava. Forward Scouts. Mateship. The Fuzzy Wuzzy Angel. The Fuzzy Wuzzies probably be cancelled now if you call the indigenous population over the Papua New Guinea that. But they were definitely a life send. Another thing about the Kokoda tribe not many people know about is the one country that mainly came to our aid was the Philippines. I don't remember exactly how many troops they sent, but they sent quite a lot. Majority of them perished. Long story short is do we really respect the country? No, we do more for other countries than we do for the Philippines. I'm a little bit sad. My wife is a Filipino. Great country. Let's move on to the Ora Creek. Ooh. Oh, they have ants. Oh. There's a spot there I can't go. Oh. Just down there is another walkway. Little lookout, but unfortunately, these stairs, I'm not able to access it. So, again, sorry everybody viewing. I will have to bring someone back, maybe my wife or daughter one day, so they can go in the areas with the GoPro that I can't get to. Little creek that we've seen over there before, Ora Creek. I believe this is what this represents. It's all the way down there. But again, no water, native fauna. Guess you can say this is one of the hidden gems of Sydney. We're now at Templeton's Crossing. Then QR code. Getting some strange looks from people around here. Myolo Bridge. You can see how treacherous the landscape was. QR code. Just imagine if you were one of the troops that were over there, malaria, dengue fever, Myola, the forward supply depot and medical post. With all what's going on in the world, we don't really look at our own history, do we? Ifogi, the desperate battles of Mission Ridge and Bridget Hill. When I do post these letters, eventually, not these letters, sorry, these videos, I will give a little bit more history.